Something big is coming. This is just the beginning. Get ready to level up. A new chapter is about to begin. Are you ready? Cross Productions proudly presents Chronicles of Zama, bringing Jamaican superhero animation to the world. The production of Chronicles of Zama, a Jamaican superhero animation created by Courtney Cross, the first man in Jamaica to ever create a full 24 minutes animated series in 4 months, is an exciting project that showcases the island's rich cultural heritage and creativity. As a pioneering effort in Jamaican animation, Chronicles of Zama has the potential to captivate audiences globally and promote Jamaican talent. Production overview. The production process will involve several key stages. Story development. Crafting a compelling narrative that blends Jamaican culture, folklore, and superhero elements.
What?
Character design. Creating visually stunning characters that embody the spirit of Jamaica and its people. Animation production. Bringing the characters and story to life through vibrant animation and engaging storytelling. Call to corporate Jamaica. We are calling out to corporate companies in Jamaica to sponsor this groundbreaking project. Your support will enable us to produce high-quality animation, invest in top-notch animation software, equipment, and talent to create a world-class product, promote Jamaican culture, showcase Jamaica's unique culture, music, and heritage to a global audience. Develop local talent. Provide opportunities for Jamaican artists, writers, and animators to develop their skills and gain international recognition. Benefits of sponsorship. By sponsoring Chronicles of Zama, your company will enhance brand visibility, reach a global audience, and increase brand recognition through association with a unique and exciting project. Support local talent, contribute to the development of Jamaica's creative industry, and nurture local talent. Promote cultural exchange, help showcase Jamaican culture to the world, fostering cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. Chronicles of Zama is a project that embodies the spirit of Jamaican creativity and innovation. We invite corporate Jamaica to join us in bringing this exciting project to life. Together, we can showcase Jamaican talent, promote cultural exchange, and entertain audiences worldwide. Let's work together to make Chronicles of Zama a success and put Jamaican animation on the global map.
This man here black like a Tara. Who him? You sure we can trust him? The Father in heaven tell me say me mustn't trust nothing black. The Lord soon give me a sign, cause in Jamaica you now see them something here every day.
So how you know say me and the sign what the Lord said?
Jamaican, look here quick.
Right, they were not dead now. How am I stop all of them people there?
Oh Lord of David, Samuel and Abednego, why have you forsaken us? We're sure to perish tonight because this man here in a black, green and gold who present himself before us, him can't stop them.
Don't be so negative, have some faith, Reverend. It is inevitable, Jamaica. This planet has been marked for annihilation. The inhabitants of this planet will be erased from existence. Humanity is not perfect. As such, the construct of their labor.
Never look here. A Jamaica look, them here taking picture.
Oh, I hear those little shaman.
The fate of their existence is in their hands. just might work.
Me not give it up, man. I live back as a team. Me don't see how them can't stop we.
How would I brother ya?
Bounty Price, this is Simbi. A merman from the hidden Atlantis deep in the Caribbean Sea.
So I'm a one fish.
I am a water spirit.
Yeah. Fish.
DM, how soon can we buy this property? First of many to stand against you. I am Jamaican.
We are not slaves.
We are Jamaicans, descendants from Africa. Every Jamaican carries the blood of warriors. We will fight to protect what we have. Or others will destroy it. We can settle this elsewhere if you dare to follow me.
Good day to you. Please allow me to introduce to you a brand new Jamaican program that is just buzzing to go on television. The series is called Chronicles of Zama. This is the first step to many spin-offs of the franchise. This animation was applauded by numerous production houses worldwide. I was recognized by my fellow animators at the University of the West Indies for being the first man in Jamaica to create a full 24 minutes animated film. Now I must ask, how would you like to share in the birth of an exciting television series? We're excited to introduce Chronicles of Zaima, an original Jamaican animated series produced by Cross Productions. This 13-episode, 24-minute series follows a team of Jamaican superheroes battling darkness to bring transformative change to Jamaica. Why sponsor this project? You might ask. This project offers a unique content, inspiring Jamaican storytelling, promoting positivity and national pride. Our target audience are families, youth, and children.
Melva, look ya! A Jamaican up there, me a taking picture.
Capturing a broad demographic. Sponsors would capitalize on our advertising opportunities. 6 by 1 minute slots per episode. This is a project you won't want to miss out on. Additional services. Should you require our expertise in crafting compelling advertisements, we offer customized ad creation at 50% of the standard rate. Benefits for sponsors. Brand visibility and awareness through targeted advertising. Association with uplifting, locally produced content. Reach a diverse audience, fostering loyalty and engagement. The chance to have your business or product written into our compelling and exciting script.
Then Linda, where you go with this cow you know? Me a take this one good on a flat bridge as a offering to the river, mama. Then we have 3 more on our back there, Grace Jonah.
Join us in sharing inspiring Jamaican stories. Together, let's make a positive impact. This is the trailer for the upcoming movie, Jamaican, the first Jamaican superhero. I hope you find this message inspiringly interesting and a worthy introduction to what we want to showcase to Jamaica and the world. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, or if you would like me to write your product or brand into our episodes. Or most importantly, participate in sponsoring a groundbreaking development. Feel free to inbox me or email crossproductions@chrossproductions@gmail.com. I have attached the email in my bio. We look forward to collaborating with you. Please remember to like, comment, and share.